Forma Ideale is a company specialized in the mass production of panel and upholstered furniture, recognizable in the market for its modern design, functional properties and quality. The exceptional market position of the company is the result of a sincere commitment to professional objectives and a respect for market rules. Forma Ideale was founded in 1995 as the family company LN, and today it is associated with excellent organization, vision and leadership, which has established modern business standards for the furniture industry in southeastern Europe. Forma Ideale nowadays employs over 1,200 young creative people aged 33 on average, 500 of whom are engaged in the area of production. Panel and upholstered furniture is manufactured in halls with a total surface area of over 30,000 square meters in Kragujevac and Majdanpek. The production process is organized according to the principle of mass production based on modern equipment, with the permanent implementation of new furniture production technologies. The production range consists of more than 120 items from the assortment of panel and upholstered furniture. The total annual production capacity of Forma Ideale exceeds 1 million pieces of furniture. The successful market orientation and stimulating discount policy for our customers has enabled us to achieve the leading position in the region. Moreover, the vicinity of the chipboard factory Kronospan, located only 22 kilometers away from our production facility, opens up good prospects for the expansion of exports to the EU. The entire process, from the initial order up to the delivery from the warehouse to the destination of the customer's choice, is implemented within the optimum time frame. More than 100 customers in Serbia and abroad make up the wholesale network of Forma Ideale. The export strategy of Forma Ideale is implemented through an extensive network in the CEFTA region, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, Macedonia, Moldova and Albania, the EU, Romania, Bulgaria, Austria, Hungary, Slovenia, the Czech Republic, Slovakia, Croatia, Greece and Germany, as well as in the markets of Russia and Belarus. Exports to the EU market in recent years have recorded double-digit growth rates. Each product begins its life cycle with the development of the conceptual design and the feasibility studies with the necessary analysis, followed by the development of prototype documentation. The most advanced software, customized to the specific requirements of three-dimensional design, is used as a design tool. The design and development department then prepares the prototype and performs the necessary analysis and preliminary testing. After the development of the design documentation for the Zero series, the accompanying diagrams and detailed instructions for easy assembly, start of the development of the Zero production series begins. After testing the products of the Zero series with the relevant institutions and its verification by the appropriate certificates, the product ordered by the customer is ready for mass production. In the primary part of the production, in the facility for the production of panel furniture covering 18,000 square meters, Forma Ideale possesses 4 production lines equipped with machines made by the German Homag Gruppe and Italian Biessa, the world's leading manufacturers of equipment for the furniture industry. All machines in the production halls belong to the most recent generation, with the application of digital technologies and CNC control, which ensure the continuous quality and a high productivity, thus guaranteeing the readiness of the company to timely respond to the demands of the market. The production process begins by cutting the base material, plywood panels purchased in sheets of defined dimensions from the world's leading manufacturer, Kronospan. Cutting is performed by computer-operated cutters on predefined schemes in accordance with the production order. It is followed by edge banding of the panel sides in 2 production lines for complete processing of panels and development of grooves with switching between the machines. The first line performs straight edge banding with melamine or ABS strips produced by Europe's leading manufacturers, while soft edge banding is supported by the other production line. Edge banding, required grooves and hardboard channels are developed by computer-operated machines which fully prepare the panel for drilling. Edge-banded panels are drilled for the installation of hardware and assembly according to predefined drilling programs for 6 CNC processing centers, which at the same time perform curvilinear cutting of panels. In addition to the above, flow drills with several multi-spindle drilling heads are used for drilling in larger series. After drilling, the panels are cleaned from the processing residues in special panel cleaning machines and are manually packed into cardboard boxes. Another advantage of Forma Ideale represents the fact it possesses its own plant for the production of cardboard packaging, which fully meets the demands of facility capacities for the production of panel furniture. The products are manually packed on desks by the most experienced employees according to technological packing lists and by controlling each panel which shall be assembled in the product. Straight and safe packaging according to the identical principle ensures the maximum use of space and safety in transport, regardless of the type of transport and the customer's distance. This process is followed by manually packing the hardware required for the assembly of the product into plastic bags or cardboard boxes as required. Packaging of the hardware is also strictly controlled by measuring the contents of each bag on special scales. The quality control service is organised in accordance with the requirements of the process model of the current quality system. The quality control service, within the scope of its activities, coordinates and controls the following activities. Control of the receipt of materials and input products. Process control, consisting of 3 rings of control. Final control, based on the mandatory assembly of the controlled item for each series, based on the visual, dimensional and functional properties, and issues approval for packaging of the product series. Accurately labelled bar-coded packages are then packed on Euro pallets and transported into a warehouse. In accordance with the customer's demands, Forma Ideale offers various types of palletised transport of goods. Warehousing and storage of goods is performed at one location in the distribution centre, located in the immediate vicinity of the factory, with existing storage capacities of 19,000 metres squared with 23,000 pallet positions. The principle of reliable and accurate delivery is the imperative of the organisation. Forma Ideale's fleet consists of over 120 vehicles. The technical condition of the vehicles is subject to strict inspection for the safety of drivers, goods and other road users. Almost half of the total number of employees is engaged in the extensive retail network. In order to make Forma Ideale's customers constantly satisfied with our product range, the annual development plans for new products and the modification plans for the existing products are based on research and the business strategy of the company. This information is extensively used for advertising campaigns, direct marketing activities, loyalty programs and other marketing activities as well. The company is dedicated to the principles of corporate social responsibility, with full implementation of safety and protection at work in all segments of business processes. Awareness of the significance of energy efficiency and ecologically acceptable operations contributed to these principles being fully implemented in the Forma Ideale development strategy. The information system of Forma Ideale comprises the latest IT solutions applied to all segments of the company's operations. Forma Ideale possesses a developed business information system which provides support to business processes. The computer and telecommunications infrastructure based on IBM and Cisco equipment is almost fully virtualized, so that our data center is, thanks to the VMware platform, in compliance with the standards related to the environmental protection and energy conservation. The production of upholstered furniture is performed in a production hall in Majdanpek. This furniture category has gradually achieved an important position in both the national and regional markets. This operation was started in the second half of 2007 by the production of upholstered beds. At the beginning of the process, 25 workers were engaged in the production, with the scope of the activity expanded in 2008 by the introduction of new models of beds, corner sofas, two-seater sofas, three-seater sofas, armchairs and other minor elements of upholstered furniture. At this moment, 127 employees of various profiles are employed in the administration, production and storage facilities. The production process is organised in an area of 6,500 metres squared. The production is prepared and analysed by a team of experts who fully implement the regulations and technical documentation, as well as the prescribed technological standards, and it consists of several interconnected processes of tailoring, sewing, carpentry and upholstery processing, as well as the final packaging and packing. Forma Ideale offers a simple concept of functional, comfortable and quality furniture of modern design which follows world trends in interior design. A wide range of products, excellent price-quality ratio, constant stock and an optimal delivery method are the attributes of our company, which offers the ideal cooperation while meeting all necessary requirements in line with our brand slogan. Living well is easy. Forma Ideale.